the same dudes running up. Follow you around, hope you fall in love. But they don't see you like I do, yeah.
Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, and today's video is going to be a fall home reset. This video definitely has fall vibes. We're decorating, cleaning, we're making a yummy, easy fall breakfast dessert. So lots to come. Stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and get started.
I fly you out to Paris, see the way they staring. Always on my mind, you know I need that love. Yeah, I show up on time, I know you need that love. Tell you everything that you don't hear enough. I fly you out to Paris, see the way they staring. Always on my mind, you know I need that love.
So after I make my bed, I wanted to go ahead and throw a load of laundry in. I'm gonna make sure I wash a load and fold a load. It's kind of my mantra right now, so I can hold myself accountable to make sure I am keeping up with the laundry.
Whatever you need from me, I'll be. Even when it's hard, just know I'll be. Holding it together, girl, you know that's on me.
So now we're gonna go ahead and head downstairs. That's where I always fill up my water cup every morning. And then we are also going to make some coffee. I haven't been drinking my typical coffee. I've been drinking espresso. And this is also when I take my vitamins and drink my superfood drink. The next thing I do is go ahead and write out my to-do list, and this is my glass dry erase board that I recently got. And then once I finish my coffee, I go ahead and make my superfoods drink that helps with digestion and all of that health related stuff. I like to take a lot of supplements and vitamins just to assist with my health. It's just something I've always been into, especially when you don't eat everything that you should for your health. So this just helps supplement that. So I finished getting ready. I just got in the shower, put on some lounge clothes for the day, and then just got ready real quick. We're gonna go ahead and make some breakfast. I am making cinnamon rolls, but I am going to use the frosting and some food coloring so I can make them look like pumpkins. So super cute and easy, and it's a fun breakfast for the season. So now that those are all done and they were super easy to make, my daughter, she is gonna go ahead and dive on in and enjoy it.
explain it all. my side. Every waking moment of my life. You got what I need. I'm thinking that there's no.
So lately I've been in a great headspace and I wanted to share with you guys why. I've recently started using an app called Aura. It's really given me a great outlook on life. I've been listening to it before I go to sleep at night and also throughout my day. So there's thousands of meditation stories, life coaching, therapists, tons more. Aura is like the Spotify for mindfulness and sleep, and this is a highly personalized app. It's going to adjust based on your needs and the content that you listen to. They have series to choose from. So right now I've been listening to the Feel More Peaceful and Calm, as well as the Daily Affirmation series and morning meditation. There's much more. I can't tell you everything that's on it because there's so much to offer. It's honestly the best app that I've ever used for mindfulness, and I'm really excited to continue using it. I've actually felt a difference within a few days in my everyday life, so I know you guys will really get a lot out of this app. They are actually offering my subscribers a free trial plus 25% off using my link for the first 500 who sign up. So if you do decide to sign up and try it out, make sure you come back to this video and let me know, or DM me over on Instagram. So we are gonna start decorating for fall here in my bedroom, but I wanted to show you guys these two dresses that Ava and I are gonna wear for my cousin-in-law's wedding. So I did get my dress from Windsor, and then hers is from Amazon. It is a destination wedding, so we will be going to Mexico City. I will share tons of content on my Instagram stories if you want to follow me over there. I've never been to Mexico City before, so I'm really excited. Let me know if you have. Go ahead and comment down below if you have. I'd love to hear how your time was there.
As so many times before, I'll never wanna be away, leave you again. You are all I want and more. It is true. If only I could do.
So the last couple of years I've used burgundy fall decor in our bedroom. I decided to switch things up this year and just kind of put that traditional colors back in here, and then I'm going to use the burgundy fall decor and put it in our guest room. I won't be decorating in that room today. I still need to get bedding for it, so once I do that, then I'll put the fall decorations up.
Waiting at the doorstep, finally home. I've been gone for too long. Standing here a while just to take it all in. Radio is playing the song. It is true. If only I could do one thing, I'll be with you. It is true. Baby, how I need the loving of you. Will you still love me as I'm getting hungry and old? And when you are away, I sometimes shiver cold. It is hard to define you, but you're worth more than gold. When everything is told. Waiting at the doorstep, finally home. I've been gone for too long.
I will make sure to link some of these items down in the description box, so make sure to check that out. I did get quite a few pieces from Target, so I know I'll be able to find links for them, and then anything from like Hobby Lobby. Sometimes it's kind of hard to find links for those on their website, as well as Home Goods. I'll do my best and I will put it down below.
Baby, how I need the loving of you. Baby, how I need the loving of you. Baby,
So I wanted to give you a little bit of an overview on all the spaces I decorated in my bedroom today. And if you have any questions, definitely leave those down below.
You need to find your way. I know now you'll never change your mind for something that matters to me. You do not know what I have in mind.
So it's later on in the day, and I promised myself I was going to fold a load of laundry, so that's what I'm doing. But I do appreciate you guys for hanging out with me today. If you did enjoy the video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to check out Aura. The link will be down below in the description box. And I will see all of you guys in the next video. Comment down below and say hi. Take care, you guys.
Every hour we spend together.